What's going on, everybody? Back at you here with another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going to this driven car show here in Calgary. I'm going to be vlogging it with my friends. Hopefully get some cool montages, you know, some nice clips. And yeah, stay tuned. Here we go.
It's like a sheet. I've never like looked at it like yeah, the intercooler is so far.
We got the gang here. We got the gang. Hey, yo, fucking Ben. Coda, say what up to the vlog.
Yo, yo, yo.
We're gonna go to this car show. The gang.
Bro, I just woke up.
What are we drinking?
Okay, we're drinking the Polish vodka. Shout out Dom.
What is this shit? Let's see it. What is
Yeah, you wanna look at it?
Sobeski.
Sobeski.
It's hectic. It's hectic.
Basically means no sobers.
Yo, my buddy's car is right here.
Tori on the beat.
Your shot with a Draco, no kickback. There's soldiers out here on the block serving this and that. My nigga, it's okay if you ain't never been through that. Nah, I gotta stay on task. Yeah, I'm on your ass. Why you speeding? Why you going so fast? Why this lifestyle moving so fast? Yeah, so fast. Whoa, just gotta slow down. Yeah, bitch keep calling my phone back to back like a repeat. I pick up the phone, she calling just to say that she miss me. Shorty don't think I cut her off, please don't tell me. That bitch is even lucky even if I let her touch me. Shorty getting annoyed cause she turned up on the Remy. How you going to war with a pistol, you better grab your Sammy. If you wanna find me, it ain't hard to get up with me. Looking around, oh my gosh, they some fucking loose screws. Chop up, make a nigga flip, boy, fuck your dudes. Had to go and get some cash, had to cop some new shoes. Gotta stay on top, just how I'm supposed to. If these niggas talking, say fuck them, they don't know you. No, they don't know you. If they ain't on the low, tell them fuck you. My niggas ain't on their own, so you know we gotta get that. Y'all niggas say shoot your shot with a Draco, no kickback. There's soldiers out here on the block serving this and that. My nigga, it's okay if you ain't never been through that. Nah, I gotta stay on task. Yeah, I'm on your ass. Why you speeding? Why you going so fast? Why this lifestyle moving so fast?
Watch out for the preppy white boy. Damn, the speakers in there.
Shit. I'm the one calling the shots. I don't get stuck in the box. Feel like I've been through a lot, holding it down like it's tied to a rock. Everybody all talk, they ain't walking that walk. Learned it all on my own. Everything's self-taught. Headshot with the stainless. Blow their mind, now they brainless. Dreams of being on stages. Damn, the shit's outrageous. I can see all of the changes. Everything coming in phases. Last year I was nameless. This year I'm finna be famous. I've been doing my own thing, doing good.
There you go. Oh. Hey.
Go, bro. Go. Okay,
Yeah, 7 seconds. Let's go.
You beat me, bro.
They won't say, making moves that they can't play. Half of these rappers got no soul, probably sold it on eBay, turning this shit to a brand. It was a part of the plan. No one knew who I was, now they know who I am. Gotta get straight to the business, building it up like it's Tetris. They say that I'm something to witness, dropping these rhymes and they vicious. Going in when it's game time, y'all been stuck on the sideline. Every day I've been rising up, see you niggas on decline, blowing up like a landmine. Your career need a lifeline, work ethic ain't like mine. Pray to God start seeing signs, try to pull up in the I-8. You wanna ride but it's too late, show me love but it's all fake. Deep inside know it's all hate, I cannot lose in this mind state. My timing is now and they can't wait, don't know what's to come like a blind date. You put in that work and we all straight. Great.
Yo, Marvel.
Woke up every day saying life is a bitch. You to die broke or get busy getting rich. Niggas did me dirty, left me dead in the ditch. Learned to forget, but I never did forget. Loyal to the team, I ain't never gonna switch. You was at the party getting drunk, getting lit. In the back of my head, I'm like, fuck that shit. I was busy in the lab making songs, making hits. Trying to get money till I cash out. Might break your arm if you're looking for a handout. I've been on the move for a long time. Fighting with the man on my shoulder, I was dealing with self-doubt. All my life I've been the fucking underdog. Used to wonder how these niggas got it all. I was getting one play a day, now I got a couple thousand on my catalog. See through you niggas know ultrasound. School of motherfuckers, you a class clown. You was talking shit, where you at now? Everybody play the tough guy till his man down. Dancing with the devil, Lucy always in the function. Dealing with you having options, see more tears than an onion. I was following my passion, probably die for the shit. Probably come and get the bus. Losing my patience, I waited my turn. Came to collect everything that I earned. Built a few bridges, but some gotta burn. They keep talking down like, but when you gon' learn? Been on the come up for some time now. People like a trust is hard to find now. Swear to God, there's so much on my mind now. Coming for the word, that bitch is mine now. You don't wanna whip me on a bad day. Finna take off on the runway. Always on my job, working hard, treated every single day like it's Monday. Started from the bottom, bitch, I'm still here. Gunning for the top, will I make it there? Rapping with the legends in the top 10. I've been on the edge, I got no fear. Please don't you do me no favors, no trust for these niggas that put it together. They planning to take it apart. Not enough fingers on both of my hands to count all the backstabbers that came from my heart. Stuck to my guns and I got them reloaded. Proceeding with caution, I'm playing it smart. Won't be forgotten, I swear that I'm leaving my mark. Losing my patience, I waited my turn. Came to collect everything that I earned. Built a few bridges, but some gotta burn. They keep talking down like, but when you gon' learn? Been on the come up with some time now. People like a trust is hard to find now. Swear to God, there's so much on my mind now. Coming for the word, that bitch is mine now. This shit is automatic and I come up with the static. I ain't never been to college, but they gotta give me credit. And I'm doing double damage, you don't need paramedics. Nowhere near a fucking challenge. Got that fire like a phoenix, getting better every minute, every hour, every second. Every time I'm on the record, I don't know what they expected, but my shit don't manifest it. And I'm about to go ballistic. Know the boys fucking sick.
And that was the Driven Car Show. Shout out to everyone that came with me. It was a lot of fun. Shout out to my buddy Adam for being in the show. His green Subi is super sick. And yeah, I had a lot of fun with my friends. It was super dope. And we had fun later. You know, we went out, we had a party and stuff. So it was a great time. If you like this video, drop a like. Subscribe for more videos coming your way. Until next time, peace out. Stay happy, stay healthy, and stay blessed.